We are on our way to Idaho to meet up with Rob Peterson, the lead engineer and owner of Van Compass. Cool thing about Rob is he's always thinking about new ways to make your van ride sweeter off-road, and he has come up with a new suspension system that he wants to put on the Advanture Hunter rig. So we went from Montana, we're about ready to cross into Idaho, and tomorrow we'll be at the headquarters learning what it takes to take the Sprinter up a few inches, bigger tires from Les Schwab and wheels, and an incredible suspension system designed by the engineer himself, Rob Peterson. Stay tuned. Holy cow, Rob, it's been a year, my friend.
It sure has.
Here we are in Post Falls again.
Good to see you.
Yeah, man. So I'm super excited to be here, everybody. Rob is the lead engineer at Van Compass here. What are we going to be doing today, Rob, with the Advanture Hunter rig?
So last time you were here, we did a stage 4 kit.
Okay.
And at the time we were doing a lot of Fox shock offerings. And since the last time you were here, we made a transition to a new shock line.
Okay.
It's a super adjustable line of shocks made by a company called FALCON.
FALCON, okay.
So very adjustable, bigger shock, better damping profile. And we're gonna pair that with our Striker lift kit. So we're gonna bring the van up 2 inches all around.
I love that.
FALCON shock, we call it our stage 6.3 kit.
Okay.
And we're gonna be bolting that on today.
When it's all said and done, it's gonna have a complete transformation. It's gonna look quite different than what we see today.
Yeah, so bringing it up 2 inches, going up in tire size, kind of makes the van body seem a little smaller. It gives it that presence and stance that makes it look just more proper, a little more meaty, and you're going to get a boatload more ground clearance.
Okay.
And with the new FALCON shocks we're putting on, you're going to have full control of your suspension at the flick of a knob, real easily.
Wow.
So,
I am so pumped to get in the shop today and see what you guys have in store for the Advanture Hunter rig.
Yep.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Here goes nothing. Hard at work. That's the way these guys roll a Van Compass. They don't mess around.
We want to make sure that you still have enough down travel, so otherwise your shocks would be overextended. Without doing all this, what happens is you have like 0 down travel. So it's, you're only gonna have like an inch of down travel on your shock, and as soon as you get like on a dirt road or something, or forest road, once the van flexes a little bit, all of a sudden tires are gonna come off the ground. So we correct all of that using the correct bracketry. So another cool feature on these FALCON adjustable shocks is it's an internal feature called the SP2 circuit. So what that is, it's a free bleed port that'll bypass the piston shim stack. What we're gonna do is set this with the SP2 in the open, so it has the free bleed port open. Because we're bumping spring rate up, we wanna, match tune the damper to the spring, so we'll go a little softer on the shock. Down the road, if you end up adding some more weight, or you feel like, oh hey, we're gonna start towing a trailer or something, we can unbolt the lower shock eyelet and rotate this 360 degrees, and you'll feel the cam in here, and it cams over and it'll close off that SP2 port. So then the shock then is a totally different internal tune. It's a lot more damping, even more control when it comes to heavy wind, heavy loads, that kind of thing. So we'll start with it in the open circuit, install it, and then you really fine tune it using the fast adjust knob exactly to your liking.
Hey Rob, I've got this pro kit I wanted to give you.
What?
This is a pro kit, man, for when you're camping and doing all your stuff. So the reason I want to give it to you is because you're running this light in here. This is called a Mammoth. That thing sticks on the metal right there, boom, and you can shine it down.
Oh,
and it's all solar powered, and it charges your phones and stuff in the bush. So
that's awesome.
So yeah, from Hybrid Light, I wanted to give this to you. So inside here, open it up. Just slide it open like so. guys have basically put back the subframe, the struts, and now supplementary shocks going on board. And 3-stage, like we said before, Rob was talking about, like 1, 2, or 3, super simple. No more wrenches to get up underneath and, you know, trying to adjust your ride for off-road or whether you're driving the highway, maybe in high winds, especially in sprinters. So this is really gonna help the ride altogether. Well, Rob, Les Schwab did it right, bro. Look at these bad boys. Now, are they gonna fit? That is the question.
That's one way to find out.
Yeah.
So we might need to do a little trimming, but we'll get them on there.
Here at Van Compass, we really strive to not oversell our customer base and provide them solutions for their van life needs. If you're just looking for a suspension upgrade to control low speed sway or just make it more comfortable for your specific driving style and what you want to do with your van. So we really focus at our company to tailor the entire experience in working with us to the individual customer.
Rob, you crushed it on the 6.3 conversion. I appreciate it, sir.
Yeah.
Always a pleasure working with you guys over here at Van Compass. They got it going on. Next stop, Les Schwab, then Big Sky Country. It's gonna be epic. Thanks again, brother.
Yeah, no problem, bud.
All right. Guys, I've been running Les Schwab Tires for 25 years, and you go with what you know, and you go with the best customer service in the industry. That's why we're here in Post Falls, Idaho, getting the final stages of the 6.3 build done, which is an entire alignment. Next stop, Montana, Big Sky Country.
What we're looking for here is to make sure that all of our angles are correct.
Okay.
So we have camber, so that's how the wheels are either tilted in or tilted out. Right now, our total camber here, cross camber, is actually very good, and the split is exactly where we want it. We
Okay.
don't need to make any adjustments there or in the rear.
Nice.
Well, the only place that we're going to need to be able to make adjustments or have to make adjustments is going to be with the front toe. So how either the tires are sitting in or out.
Okay.
Yep. And so
And
we're
what-
going to make sure the steering wheel's nice and straight, and make sure those wheels are pointed nice and straight.
And that's it, we're
It'll
done.
be perfect. Yes, sir.
All right. That's what I'm liking. All right. Nick, appreciate it. Time is money, man, when we're out producing, and you guys had us in and out here in Post Falls. So last step, I guess we're gonna swap out one tire on the back, head to Montana, meet up with the other Les Schwab, and replace that, and that's it.
Done and done.
We're on the road for season 2.